Bird wing. This pose can be done in any standing pose. Warrior 1, Warrior 2, horse stance. You can also play with it in seated poses. So it's pretty versatile. I'll be demoing it just standing. So I'll rotate so you can see the different angles. The arms will be opening and closing. That's the movement. But the movement is done by keeping the upper arms as close to the body as possible. They don't leave that connection. That move expands chest as the upper back enlivens. Start with the arms parallel, palms up. Inhale into chest, expand chest, feel the arms open, squeezing upper arms against the body and using the upper back muscles for the movement. And as you exhale, keep the upper arms squeezing against the body as you bring back the arms to parallel. Inhale, collarbone rises, chest expands, open the arms as much as you can without the upper arms leaving the connection next to the body. And then as you exhale, keep that squeeze and bring the forearms back to parallel. And that's the move. So you do this move, inhale to open and exhale to bring back to parallel, focusing on that upper arm tricep into the sides of the body connection. Notice as you do this how big you can get that breath into chest as you wake up the upper back. It's wonderful for that connection of releasing tension in the front of the heart and the chest and allowing the upper back to come alive. Continue to move with your own breath pace. So get the breath deeper, slower, lung capacity beyond habitual on inhale, beyond habitual on exhale. And keep the neck nice and long and soft. Really feel for using the muscles in the back to squeeze the shoulder blades together, even as you're squeezing upper arms against the body. You may begin to notice that one side can stay attached to body a little bit easier than the other one. Like you can see my left side, it tries to come up. I have to work a little bit harder for that one. When you're done, shake it out, move it around, because you'll probably have a lot more fluidity there.
Time and place to come through.